Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Changing the battery on your Dyson V10 is a straightforward process that can enhance the performance of your vacuum cleaner. Follow these steps for a successful battery replacement. Tools needed *. 1. Torx T15 screwdriver. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. Clean cloth. 4. New Dyson V10 battery. Step 1. Preparation. Before starting, ensure your Dyson V10 is turned off and unplugged from the charging dock. Place it on a stable surface to avoid any accidents. Lay out your tools, including the new battery that you will be installing. Step 2. Remove the battery cover. Using the Torx T15 screwdriver, locate the screws on the battery cover at the base of the vacuum. Remove these screws carefully and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. Step 3. Disconnect the old battery. Next, you will see the old battery. There are typically 2 clips holding it in place. Use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry these clips away from the battery, releasing it from its compartment. Once the clips are free, gently pull the battery out. Step 4. Clean the compartment. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery compartment with a clean cloth. This will help ensure that the new battery fits snugly and functions properly. It's a good practice to remove any dust or debris that might have accumulated. Step 5. Install the new battery. Align the new battery with the connectors in the compartment. Push the battery into place until you hear a click, indicating it's securely seated. Reattach the clips to hold the battery firmly in position. Step 6. Replace the battery cover. Take the battery cover you removed earlier and place it back onto the vacuum. Ensure it fits over the clips and holes. Secure it by reinserting the screws using the Torx T15 screwdriver. Tighten them until they are snug, but be careful not to over-tighten. Step 7. Test the vacuum. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Dyson V10 and charge it for a few hours. After charging, turn it on to ensure that the new battery is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, it may be wise to seek a professional diagnosis without obligation. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this replacement, remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls, no travel, and you can receive a quote before repair, making it a hassle-free experience. Final check. After testing, check the battery indicator on your Dyson V10. If it shows a full charge and operates smoothly, you've successfully replaced your vacuum's battery. Regular maintenance, including battery replacement, can extend the life of your Dyson V10. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Dyson V10 continues to perform at its best. Happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.